Hey Santa Clara County, is the market still super hot, or are these rising interest rates starting to have an impact on the market conditions? We will cover all of that and more in the June edition of your Santa Clara County Housing Report. I'm Spencer Hsu, your tech realtor of the Bay Area, and let's dive right into some of the details. As we went through May and head towards summer, what exactly is happening in Santa Clara County? I'm going to quickly run down 5 key areas to keep you informed so you can make smarter decisions on your housing needs. Make sure you stick around until the end of this video where I sum up the housing market trends we are currently seeing. And remember to hit the subscribe button and notification bell for me if you haven't already so you can stay up to date on everything related to real estate in Santa Clara County. As May wrapped up, there were 1,808 active homes during that time period, which is 28% higher than May of 2021. This has been the highest level all year, and the last time we had higher levels than now was back in October 2020. Let's move on to new listings. This is one area that has been very consistent over the last 3 months. May had 2,158 new listings, which has been consistent with May of 2021. This shows we actually did not get more supply into the market, but simply that the demand has cooled down significantly. So if there are the same amount of new listings as last year, but a lot more stay on the market, what does that mean for how many are actually selling? In May, there were 1,419 homes sold. This is 20% lower than it was in May of 2021. So another question people want answered is, how fast is the market moving? How fast do houses go and get in contract? While the previous numbers show the activity, the good homes still sell very quickly. The average days on market is 11, which is still some of the lowest in history. So advice, if you're house shopping while you have more options than ever before, make sure you have all your ducks in a row at the end of a weekday, because waiting around is still not in your best interest as homes are still selling very quickly. Okay, now onto the part everyone wants to know about, the sales price. How much is my home worth now? The average sales price for a home is $1.1884 million. This is a 10% premium versus the previous year, but has been a mild decline versus April, which is less than 1%. So what does this all mean in general? Right now, there's a lot of available homes for buyers, but homes are still moving very quickly. The number of new homes has been stable, so there isn't any evidence of rushing to sell. What does that mean for sellers though? If your time horizon to move was within the next 12 to 24 months, home prices have still evidently been strong, but there are signs potentially of a decline. It's still the highest few months that has ever been, so if you're thinking about making a move in the next few years, now is the time to do so. What if you're a buyer? While higher interest rates affect monthly payments, there are still plenty of options. You can use adjustable rate mortgages, which are still under 4%. And this is also a great situation for those using less money down, as your appraisal risk is now close to 0. But what about interest rates? What's been going on there? Interest rates continue to rise for a 30-year fixed rate, reaching 5.25% for the average individual, but the spread of adjustable rate mortgages is as high as it has ever been, being at under 4%. This is a great opportunity for adjustable rate mortgages. So as a summary, as you can see, the housing market is interesting and there's a lot to continue to pay attention to. The insatiable demand is over, but homes that are good products are still moving and prices have not declined as you may have guessed, like other investments in the stock or crypto markets. So I'm going to keep a close eye on that effect in our local housing market in Santa Clara County over the next few months. I hope you all got lots of value out of this housing report video. I'm Spencer Hsu. Thanks for watching. Leave us a comment below, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll see you next time.